By the name, I'm Farhia Mohammed Hashim, 22 years old, Somalia by nationality, living in Kakuma refugee camp. My educational background, I started my primary school in the year of 2008. I finished my final exam in primary 2015, and I joined my high school, Kakuma Secondary Refugee School, in 2016, and I finished my final exam in 2019. And I'm currently working with IRC as a CHP, Community Health Promoter. My challenges in high school and primary. In primary, and students were very many. The class were not enough. Even teachers were not enough. The material were not enough. In my secondary school, the challenge was very many because the school and our home, the distance was long. And sometimes you can go early in the morning and you reach in the school, you are late. You go by footing and you will come back. And the next challenge was learning. The teachers was not enough, and even the classroom was not enough. I will advise my fellow colleagues who are completed right now in their Form 4s. Here in Kakuma, we have a lot of opportunities and technical schools like Don Bosco and Zavik, and we have other CBOs like Codidas and others where you can go and build your skills.